Welcome to the AI world of generated art. Do you see the previous video I uploaded in YouTube? So, what is AI? Did you know you can create stunning artworks in seconds without ever picking a paintbrush? Welcome to the world of AI art. So, hi, I am Karthik, and today I am going to show you how AI revoluting the art, whether you can session the artist or someone who never drawn before. What is AI? If you know that, you can comment on this section. AI is created by advanced program trained a millions of image used like a dall-e, midjourney, learn style, patterns and techniques enable them to create a new and original artwork based on the what your prompt. Use. Do you know the sum of AI piece artworks have sold for millions of dollars? It's an exciting fortune for creativity and technology. Vibrant, fantastic landscape using midjourney. And I don't have a midjourney. I'm going to copy the midjourney prompt and paste in the dall-e E3 using Microsoft free. This is free, completely open. It's like limited source. So glowing city at the wing, flying cars and neon light. Let's a glowing city at night with the flying cars and neon lights. Let's see what is come with that. AI art is incredibly accessible. You do not need any technical skills or artistic background to start. It's a fantastic way to explore your new ideas and style quickly. One of the biggest debates is whether AI art is truly original since it's trained on the existing arts, and while it's great experimentation can be repress the soul and emotional of human made art. In my work, I meet some people who can know the AI better than me. I meet a person who study in Stanford's of AI. I once in questions making. He's like a client of my company. He's telling a speech of about AI, how the people can use it to reduce the work and time. Time is of money. Money can reduce. If time reduce, the money can reduce. If I took 1 hour to make an art without AI, it's some time of 1 hour money I have to ask for the client. What if I use the AI to reduce my 1 hour into 10 seconds? It will be lower, like costly, like a saving. It's reduce the energy and save the time. It save the client's money. It's profitable, right? AI will you guide you through the another world with the easy. You don't have to have the artist skills in your way. You can copy or and what is the craziest idea of you like I see in artwork? Drop your prompt in the comment. I feature my. If already tried AI art, share your creation with me. Tag on me on Instagram or Twitter. I love you, showcase. Recapping these key points. Today we explored the magic of AI, created some stunning pieces and discussed its impact of creativity. Next time we are talking this step further and animating the AI art you see. You do not have to miss it. So hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. If you love this video, do not forget to like and subscribe, comment. Your support helps me to bring more creativity content on your way. Create a new art style you like in AI, wherever you like. Thanks for the watching. Thanks for watching.